So today I thought I would film an Earth Day inspired makeup tutorial since Earth Day is coming up. So I'm honestly just going to go ahead and jump into it. I think you guys have seen enough makeup tutorials and know my channel well enough. If not, then hello and welcome to my channel. But I'm going to go ahead and start with the Benefit Professional Primer. And I'm just going to put that on my face. And we are actually going to be using the Roxy Revolution palette again today. So I'm going to be using the mirror from that as well as eyeshadows. So I'm just going to get some of this on my finger and just put it on my face. I like to dot it first and then rub it in. So I'm just rubbing it all over my face. After I've done that, I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. I'm going to take my Makeup Forever foundation in Y205 and I'm just going to put it on my beauty blender and then put it on my face. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before and just kind of dab it on. Then I'm going to just blend it. Trying to make sure that it's very well blended so that you can't see any lines. Alright, so once I've got that blended, we're going to use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And I'm just going to put it on any spots and also under my eyes. Then I'm going to use the Beauty Blender again to just blend that in. So once I've done that, I'm going to go on to the eyes. So I think I'm going to start with my Merida M19 shader brush. And I'm going to start with the color Botanical. And I'm going to use that on my eyelid. I'm just like really building the color because this is a little bit of a lighter color, so I'm just really trying to build it up. So after that, I'm going to go to my Elizabeth Mott blending brush and I'm going to take Cocoa and use that to blend out. I'm trying to go a little bit lighter with Cocoa just so it doesn't completely overpower the green. I'm actually going to go back in and keep kind of going back and forth between the two. Add a little more Botanical and then blend it some more. I don't think I'm going to add any more Cocoa, I'm just going to blend it more. So at this point, I'm going to take a, I forget what this is, but I'm going to take a smudger brush. And I think next up, I'm going to take a little bit of Blue Lagoon and go under my eyes. And I'm only going to go halfway with this, but I'm really going to lay it on so that it's like visible. And then I'm going to take the color Sky and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my eye. So starting from the Blue Lagoon and going inward. all the way up into the crease. Next up, I'm going to take the Luxie brush, and I'm going to take Constellations and just use that to go under my brow bone. So after that, I am actually going to do my face powder. So I'm going to take my IT by Pores Pressed Powder and just put that all over my face. Okay guys, so after I've done my pressed powder, I'm going to take my Rimmel London Natural Bronzer, and then I'm going to put on, the color is Sunlight in 021. So I'm going to take a Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to put this all over my face. And I'm just going to pick up my mirror so I can see a little bit better to blend it. After that, I'm going to take High Beam by Benefit, and I'm just going to put that in a few specific locations that would catch the light naturally. And then I'm just going to blend that with my fingers. So after that, I'm going to do my brows and my mascara. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Give Me Good Lashes, and it's a number 3. And I'm just going to run that through my eyebrows. So after I've done that, onto the mascara, I'm using the Marcel Extension Plus Curl Mascara on my top and bottom lashes. If you get any on your face, you can use a Q-tip. I always end up with a little bit of mascara on me. I'm using my finger because I never remember to bring Q-tips in here. Last but not least, I'm going to put something on my lips. I'm just going to use the Juice Infused Lip Oil from Ulta. This is the one Jojoba and Peach. And I'm just going to put that on my lips. Since I did the eyes and more colors, I just kind of wanted to keep the lips a little more natural. Especially with this being for Earth Day. I'm basically just gonna put it on and like rub my lips around. You don't need a lot of this. So this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys like this. I wanted to kind of go with like earthy colors like the greens, the blues, the browns. So if you guys enjoyed this, please let me know. And let me know what you guys did for Earth Day, if you did anything. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!